How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the hit sound in OSU. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually search for OSU onto your desktop right here. So just simply search for OSU, click on the open file location, and then once again, you could just do the same thing, which is to right click on it, click on the open file location, and you will be taken inside the app data. And here you want to scroll all the way up, and simply from here, you want to look for a specific folder. And simply inside, it will then look something like this. Now, the other way to do this is to also navigate through OSU. Click on Settings. You want to click on the Open OSU Folder, and you will be able to navigate through the official OSU folder right here. So you want to go ahead and look for songs. And basically, I haven't got any song downloaded yet onto my OSU, but you just want to go ahead and navigate through this website called the Custom Library OSU. So you want to click on it, and you just want to get one of the OSU hit scan or hitbox right here, hit sound. In my case, I'm going to select this one. And of course, the file after downloading, you could just import it right inside a song folder. So let's say that this is our song 1. Of course, this is going to be the song name right here. Just click on it, drag the hits sound onto this specific folder song. From there, play the song onto OSU, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.